Welcome to a journey into one of the most mysterious and controversial topics of our time, the ice wall. For centuries, explorers, scientists, and conspiracy theorists have all tried to answer one burning question. Is there truly a massive wall of ice surrounding our world? Or is it just a myth, born out of imagination, fear, and secrecy? Tonight we will dive deep into legends, science, secret expeditions, and the astonishing theories that continue to spark debates worldwide. Let's begin at the edge of the known world, the Antarctic continent. Covered in ice for millions of years, Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. But it is also home to something extraordinary: colossal ice cliffs, some rising more than 100 meters above sea level, forming what appears to be a gigantic barrier of ice. These formations are real, visible even on satellite images. But the question is, do they serve as the wall that ancient stories spoke of? In the 19th century, sailors who dared to travel south described enormous walls of ice stretching endlessly across the horizon. They said it was as if the ocean itself ended, blocked by a frozen fortress. These reports inspired many of the legends we still hear today. Some explorers believed that beyond these walls another world existed, an untouched land, perhaps even a secret civilization hidden from humanity. Now let's talk about the most famous and controversial idea, the flat Earth theory. According to believers, the Earth is not a globe, but a flat plane. Around its edges lies the ice wall, an impenetrable barrier that prevents ships and planes from crossing. They argue that governments and space agencies are hiding the truth from the public, keeping Antarctica off-limits to protect this ultimate secret. Could the Antarctic Treaty, signed by more than 50 nations banning civilian exploration, really be part of such a cover-up? But it doesn't stop there. Stories of secret expeditions add fuel to the fire. In 1947, Admiral Richard E. Byrd of the United States Navy led Operation High Jump, one of the largest Antarctic expeditions in history. Officially, its goal was scientific research, but conspiracy theorists claim the mission encountered mysterious phenomena, unidentified flying objects, hidden entrances in the ice, and perhaps even evidence of advanced civilizations. Byrd himself gave interviews suggesting Antarctica held resources and secrets beyond imagination. Could this be why access to Antarctica is so restricted today? Science, however, offers a different perspective. Glaciologists explain that the ice cliffs are natural formations created by millions of years of freezing, compacting, and shifting ice. They argue that what people call the ice wall is simply the edge of Antarctica's ice shelves, massive floating sheets of frozen water that can tower like skyscrapers. Yet even scientists admit that Antarctica is one of the least explored places on Earth, and only a tiny fraction of it has ever been studied in detail. Could something truly extraordinary still lie hidden there? Let's not forget the myths that stretch back thousands of years. Some ancient maps, like the Peary Race map of 1513, appear to show parts of Antarctica before it was officially discovered, and without its ice cover. How could ancient civilizations have known this? Did they possess lost knowledge? Or did they encounter lands beyond the ice wall themselves? Even in modern times, mysterious sightings continue. Satellite anomalies, strange structures under the ice, and even leaked military reports claim unusual activity around Antarctica. Some say the ice wall guards the gateway to other realms. Others believe it hides entrances to massive underground cities, remnants of lost civilizations like Atlantis. And a few suggest the truth is far more cosmic, that the ice wall may be a boundary, not just for Earth, but for our reality itself. So where does this leave us? Is the ice wall just an impressive natural wonder? Or is it a colossal secret designed to hide the greatest truth of all? What lies beyond those frozen cliffs? A barren wasteland, a hidden paradise, or something we cannot even imagine? One thing is certain, the mystery of the ice wall continues to captivate millions worldwide. It forces us to question everything we think we know about our planet, history, and the powers that control information. Maybe one day, the secrets of Antarctica will be revealed. Until then, we can only wonder, is the ice wall the edge of our world, or just the beginning of something much greater?